Hello, I'm the 10-minute English teacher. Let's get you exam ready. Today we're thinking about Death of a Salesman by Arthur Miller, and I'm going to be providing you with a summary to Requiem, the very end of the play. Before we get going, don't forget to like and subscribe. There are plenty of things on the channel to help you know the play like an expert. Okay, Requiem, my guide to the very end of Death of a Salesman. So in front of you are some images that relate to the things that take place in the very last scene of the play. I'll walk you through them now. Linda speaks about the funeral. Very few people have been in attendance, in clear contrast with the funeral of Dave Singleman that Willie recounted in his conversation to Howard when he was asking for a position in the office. She also talks about the house that's been paid off, and she clearly cannot understand the motives for Willie taking his own life. In this scene, we've got Bernard and Charlie, and we've also got the two boys, Biff and Happy. Charlie speaks about being a salesman, and he says that when people stop smiling back, that's an earthquake, which is clearly what happened to Willie in his later life. We've then got the boys in contrasting moods about their father. So we've got Biff, who talks about his father's dreams being all wrong, and Happy, quite worryingly, talks about the fact that his father's attitude and the way that he'd lived his life was the only way to do it, and talks about emulating his father and continuing the battle that his father lost. Linda then speaks about her inability to cry. She cannot bring herself to understand what he's done and why, and she sadly and pitifully talks about being free at the very end of the play. As the curtain goes down, Arthur Miller reminds us of the flute and also the angular buildings on stage that are surrounding the Loman house. This use of the flute is clearly symbolic and reflects the idea that Happy is going to continue that cycle of tragedy that his father's death has started. So that is how the play ends with Requiem, and here are some ideas for you to take it further. Watch the video again and mute the sound. Can you talk your way through the key moments in time with the yellow marker? If you get stuck, unmute to hear the explanation. Can you find key quotations for each significant moment of this part of the play? Okay, check out the other videos on my channel. I'll continue to add content. Feel free to ask something you'd like to see me cover in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share, and keep revising.